Hello, future engineers. Here is a video in fluid mechanics and hydraulics. This is about answering common questions in fluid mechanics and hydraulics for you to familiar and master properties of fluids. So there are 28 questions prepared here, and let's finish the animation so that I can answer chronologically the questions. So remember that there are in three phases or state in we have solid, liquid, and gas. And here we study the properties of fluids, especially its density, viscosity, specific weight, specific volume, especially for gases, um, surface tension, capillary rise, capillarity, vapor pressure, and so on. And we have the equation of state of gases. So I hope that you can also answer the questions prepared here. And there are also simple calculations just to master the calculations of some properties of fluids. So we begin with problem 1. Cohesive forces between molecules, atoms are lowest in the blank and highest in the blank phases. So of course it is lowest in the gas phase and highest in the solid phases. So gas and uh, solid phases would be the answers. Within elastic limit, solids blank. So because this is fluid mechanics and hydraulics, solids regain their original shape when the applied load is released. Solids blank applied shear while liquids blank. So solids resist applied shear while liquids continue to deform. That's the fact. So continue to deform for liquids. In solids, blank is proportional to the applied stress. So this is deformation. Deformation is proportional to the applied stress. The mobility of atoms is least in because atoms, molecules are closely compact in solids, so the mobility is least in solids. Fluids cannot withstand shear stress or shear force, of course. The atoms, molecules are blank to move in fluids. So they are free to move in fluids. Fluids, gas, or liquid. The distance between atoms is least in, so I already explained that above, solids. When heated, the atoms in solids blank, so vibrate more. The answer is they will by the atoms in solids vibrate more. In liquids, blank is proportional to shear stress. This is the rate of deformation or angular deformation rate. So remember that shear stress is proportional to the rate of angular deformation or strain rate, and the constant of proportionality is the viscosity of the substance. 11. The difference between liquids and gases is, of course, the molecular spacing is much uh, higher in gases, and the atoms occupy the all spaces in a container. So molecular spacing is much larger in gases, and atoms occupy all portions of the container. Gases blank the container. So gases completely occupy the space of the container, or gases will completely occupy the container. That's the answer. Vapor is the gaseous state of matter when the temperature is near the saturation process or saturation conditions or boiling conditions. Liquids form blank in a container. So liquids form a free surface when in a container. The answer is free surface. The three phases of matter are, we have the solids, liquid, and gas. A special state of matter at very high temperature is called plasma. Again, a special state of matter at very high temperature is plasma. Specific weight is defined as the force of gravity on mass in unit volume, or it is the weight per unit volume. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the density of any substance to the density of water at standard temperature, or at the temperature where the density of water is 1000 or maximum. The density should be used because the density, the mass does not change with location. Remember the strict definition of specific gravity. A mole is defined as it's the molecular mass of a substance. So that's the definition of a mole. In some solids, molecules come out when heated. The phenomenon is called sublimation, heat of fusion, sublimation. If the specific gravity of a liquid is 0.84, its density in the CGS system, CGS means centimeter gram second system, is also 0.84 gram per cubic centimeter. So that's the advantage whenever the units would be in CGS system. If a solid steel 7.86 specific gravity object, solid steel object is in the form of a rectangular parallelepiped 30 centimeter by 45 centimeter by 60 centimeter, its weight in newtons is, since weight is specific weight times volume and specific weight is specific gravity of the substance times specific weight of water, which is 9,810 newtons per cubic meter, the volume is simply 0.3 meter by 0.45 meter by zero point 0.6 meter. Do that calculation and you will get 6,246 newtons. A spherical wooden ball with specific gravity 0.78 is 60 centimeters in diameter. Its mass in kilogram is, mass is density times volume. The density is specific gravity times density of water, which is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter. Therefore, the density of this spherical wooden ball is 780 kilograms per cubic meter. The volume of sphere is pi over 6 diameter cube, pi over 6.6 cube, or 4/3 pi radius cube. The radius is 0.3 meter. So do that calculation. 780 times pi over 6.6 cube, you will get 88.22 kilograms. Bulk modulus of liquid will blank with pressure. It will increase with pressure. It is directly proportional to the change in pressure. Capillary rise is caused by, of course, adhesive forces. When the molecules are attracted to the walls, they contact. That's why we have this phenomenon, capillary rise. Surface tension is due to cohesive forces. Capillary depression is when, so it's like magnet. Capillary depression is when blank forces predominate. So it will be depressed if cohesive forces predominate. So the answer is cohesive. Droplet formation and free circular jet formation is due to, of course, surface tension. So that's it for this video.